Hi there, Teacher Hong here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make English muffins with butter and jelly, or jam if you prefer. So let's get started. And today I'm going to be using Touch Chat. So yes, let's get started. Okay, to get started, you're going to need, you could say, I
need,
then go to groups, go to kitchen,
dish, knife,
to butter knives,
toaster,
go back to groups, food, and you'll need to go to breakfast,
jelly,
butter,
English
muffin. Okay, to get started, your English muffin needs to be cut a little bit. It's already pre-cut, but it's not all the way, it's not cut all the way. So let's cut. Next, you're going to take your toaster, or take your muffins to your toaster and put them in the slots right there. And then we're going to turn it on. Now we're waiting. We're waiting for the muffins to pop up, and then use a lot of caution because it's going to be hot. Okay, now the toast, or actually the muffin is finished. So have to be careful. Make sure that it's not too hot, and then we could take out the muffin. Took out the muffin and putting it on our plate. I'm taking a clean butter knife, and I have my jam. I'm going to take out some jam. And putting it on the muffin. Spreading it all the way out to the edge. Putting this dirty knife in the sink. Next, I'm going to take a clean knife and get some butter. Spreading it on my muffin, the other half of the muffin. Okay. And now I'm going to put the two halves together. And there you have it. Toasted muffin with butter and jam. Yummy. See you next time.